Blogs to videos with AI. Transform articles into share-worthy videos with clear, fast steps any creator can follow. Creating videos takes time and energy. Repurpose your blog content into dynamic videos and save hours every week. Start by copying your article and pasting it into a streamlined AI content workspace. No complex setup needed. AI instantly analyzes your writing, turning key points into vivid video scenes and building a storyboard in seconds. Make quick tweaks, adjust subtitles, images, and pacing in just a few clicks. No video editing skills required. Step 1. Choose and prep your content. This sets you up to transform ideas into attention-grabbing video stories. Start by picking a blog post you want to repurpose as a video. Choose one with a clear, strong topic. Highlight the main headline and introduction. These will grab attention and set the stage for your video. Identify and highlight important subheadings or essential data points. This helps organize your video storyline. Trim your content to the essentials. Keep it tight and punchy. Brevity ensures your video will hold attention. Now your blog post is officially video ready. Next, AI script generation. Instantly transform written articles into ready-to-film video scripts in seconds. Turning articles into engaging videos takes too much time. Content piles up, and your message stays trapped in text. Start by copying the core content you want to turn into video. Highlight only the essentials. Paste your chosen text into your script assistant. Add a clear prompt for your ideal output style. Review the generated script. Make quick edits for clarity, strong hooks, and a natural flow. Multiply your content reach. Every great article is now just steps away from a polished video. Visual planning and storyboarding. Let AI build your entire visual plan in seconds. You've got your script, but storyboarding manually is slow and overwhelming. AI transforms that struggle. Upload your script. AI instantly suggests scene ideas and visuals, skipping hours of manual planning. Next, AI proposes color schemes and backgrounds, ensuring visual harmony across your video. AI quickly mocks up basic scene sketches, overcoming creative block and providing visual direction. A detailed shot list appears. Camera angles, actions, and timing are mapped out automatically. Your visual storyboard is ready. All scenes, transitions, and AI video creation. Create impressive videos in minutes. No editing skills required. Traditional video editing is complex and time-consuming. AI transforms this struggle into a breeze. Start by pasting your script into an AI video tool. The process is fast and user-friendly. The AI quickly reads your script, identifying key topics and moments for your video. AI suggests stock footage, images, and graphics matching your script's themes and topics. Relevant visuals are arranged to match your narration, forming a draft video in moments. AI creates a professional-grade voiceover that matches your script. No microphone needed. Customized by dragging clips, swapping visuals, or changing the order. Everything updates instantly. Add transitions for a polished, cinematic flow between your scenes, fast and hassle-free. Browse music libraries, add a soundtrack, and balance audio levels with simple on-screen tools. AI generates subtitles automatically for accessibility. Quick edits make them perfect for your story. Preview your finished video. AI voiceover and music. Transform your videos with perfect narration and soundtracks in seconds. Hate recording your own voice or hunting for the right music? AI instantly takes the stress out of sound. Paste your script, hit play. AI turns your words into smooth, professional narration in moments. Choose the voice style, accent, and speed that fits your video. Total creative control is in your hands. Let AI suggest music that perfectly matches the mood. No more endless searching for the right track. Add background music with a single click. Your video instantly feels polished and engaging. Hear the difference. Professional narration and music can transform your video's impact in just seconds. Ready to make your videos sound professional? Try AI audio and watch your storytelling soar. AI for subtitles and captions. Boost your video engagement with a single click. Struggling with low watch time or audience drop-off? AI captions solve both retention and accessibility effortlessly. Let AI auto-generate subtitles in seconds. No more tedious manual typing or waiting days for transcriptions. Review and edit AI captions with ease. Simply click and correct any mistakes for near-perfect accuracy. Style captions for brand consistency and viewer comfort. Improve visibility with custom fonts, colors, and backgrounds. Ready to reach more people faster? Let AI captions make your content stand out and connect. What if a single detail could change the course of history? Imagine if the Library of Alexandria never burned. This is the final stretch. Your project's almost done, but precision matters most now. Enhance your visuals with subtle color grading. Bring out vibrancy without overdoing it. Tweak key visual effects, making sure each graphic pops but never distracts. Check your voiceover for clarity. Adjust levels so every word is crisp and balanced. Polish transitions between scenes. Seamless cuts keep viewers engaged throughout. Hunt for tiny flaws. One last pass ensures everything aligns perfectly, both visuals and sound. Your masterpiece is ready. Export in the right format. Vertical for social, horizontal for web and YouTube. AI for content creation. Turn any article into a professional video, no camera required. Stuck with a blog nobody sees? Expanding your reach can feel impossible without time or a production team. Let AI write your video script automatically, saving hours of planning and brainstorming every time. No visuals? Instantly access a library of images, videos, and music tailored for your topic with zero hassle. No editing skills? AI customizes scenes, adds transitions, and delivers share-ready videos fast. Your reach multiplies. Share one video across every platform and watch your audience grow with less effort. Repurposing blog posts becomes effortless, turning every article into fresh, valuable video content. Ready to multiply your impact? Start creating smarter. AI brings your content to life.